Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and tools. Today, we're diving into a product that's essential for every DIY enthusiast and organizer out there. The Velcro brand sticky back fasteners. These little squares might seem small, but they pack a powerful punch when it comes to keeping things organized. These Velcro brand sticky back fasteners are simply the best small Velcro solution available in the market right now. Why? Let's break it down. First off, these fasteners are incredibly versatile. Whether you're sticking up decorations, organizing cables behind your desk, or securing items in your workshop, these 0.88-inch by 0.88-inch squares are up to the task. They're designed with a durable nylon construction and a reliable adhesive backing that holds strong on smooth surfaces like walls, glass, tile, and even plastic. Installation is a breeze, just peel and stick. What I love most about these fasteners is their ability to hold up to 5 pounds per square inch. That's perfect for heavier items like picture frames, organizers, or even tools in the garage. So, if you're ready to streamline your space and keep everything in its place, click the link in the description to get your hands on these fantastic Velcro brand sticky back fasteners today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews like this. Until next time, keep creating and organizing with Product Critique.